What's up guys, I'll be trying to hit 2k on this account, so stay tuned. I used the 4-hour chart for my analysis and waited till I saw a clear entry on the smaller time frame before entering. Now that's the momentum I expect from the market. Let's just get straight to the results. Market haven't touched my TP but seems to be reversing, and since it's a micro account size, I'll just close to build the account. And now we're at step index. Market will definitely close that gap, but if I get something reasonable, I'll just close. Well, market went straight to TP, so I closed the second position. Now that I have somewhat reasonable, I'm on V25-1S. I waited for price to retrace to that level before entering, anticipating a move into my 4-hour supply zone. Now I'm in solid profit. Price hasn't hit my TP, but it's failing to break the high, so I'll close and secure gains. On V75 1 seconds, my limit wasn't triggered before the move, so I entered at market. The setup aligns with higher time frame bias, and I'm expecting a strong follow through. As I expected, the market had so much momentum that I moved my take profits to a $100 plus, and it still hit it. Now I can trade for real. After 3 days of waiting for these setups, market hit both limits, and I went in more positions for V51S, and I'll do same for Boom Index. On V51 second, price tapped my limit at a resistance zone with overbought conditions, making it a high probability entry, hence the position size I used. Price cleanly hit my TP, and I scaled up as momentum built, increasing profits. I also made an accidental buy entry, which I closed immediately. As for Boom 1000, I'm still on loss, as the market is just playing around, but let's see how it goes. Well, I don't think this is my win. Market ain't respecting that zone at all, so I'll just take the L and close to avoid nonsense. On gold, I'm anticipating a complete gap fill, with the support break confirming the bearish outlook. Hours later, price hit my TP. There's not much analysis on this trade, as the news dropped and caused a spike. I'm now scalping the retracement to my target. And boom, I just went from $1 to 2,000. If you want to be a part of my community, the link is in my bio. Have a lovely day.